In this video, we will see about number line and addition and subtraction on number line. So first let us see about number line. Number line is a straight line with numbers placed at equal intervals. So it is usually a horizontal straight line. We make it horizontal and it has numbers placed at equal intervals. So let us see through the diagram. So here we have number line starting from 0 and thereafter we have all the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and goes on. And it goes on even after 14. That's why we have an arrow after 14. So it continues. And one more important thing about number line, that there is no number missing on the number line. Like after 3, we don't place 5 or 7 or any other number. After 3 comes 4, then 5, then 6. The number are sequentially placed on the number line. So this is the number line. Now we will see addition on number line. Addition, as we know, it means to add or join given numbers together. So let us make a number line starting from 0 and we will add two numbers 2 plus 3. So now we will add two numbers 2 plus 3 using number line. So when we start to do any operation, addition, subtraction or multiplication, first we will place a person at the digit 0. In the starting, the person would be at digit 0. So we have placed the person at digit 0. In the starting will be at 0. Now we'll take one number at a time. So now we have first number, first digit we have 2. So now we can make the person move 2 digits on the right, on the number line, on the positive numbers, because we have to move 2 numbers on the positive side. So now the person will move 2 places on the right side. So the person moves to 1 and then 2. Now he is placed at 2. Now we have to join with this number. The person is at 2 and now we have to join. That is, again, we have to move in the same direction. How many places? The person will move 3 more places in the same direction because we are adding. So now from 2, the person will move 3 steps more. So the person moves to 3, then 4 and then 5. So now the person is at 5. So now we have also completed the addition, like 2 plus 3. We have completed all the steps. And now the person is at 5. So what we get, the answer, the addition of 2 plus 3 is 5 on the number line. So this is the answer. Now we will see one more example of addition on the number line. Now we will add 9 and 4. That is, we'll do 9 plus 4 on the number line and we will see the result. So as we have already discussed, we will first place the person on the digit 0. We will start from digit 0. And then the first digit we have, the first number we have 9. So we will make the person move 9 places to the right on the positive side. So from 0, the person will start and move to 9 places. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now the person has reached to 9. Now the person is at digit 9. Now we will add, that is, again move in the same direction. And how many places? The person will move 4 places. So from 9, the person moves to 10, 11, 12 and 13. Now the person is at digit 13. And now we have done the operation also. We have taken 9 places. We have added, that is moved in the same direction, 4 more places also. And now we have completed the operation. And after completion, the person is at digit 13. So that means the addition of 9 plus 4, these two digits give the result 13. So the answer is 13. Now we will see subtraction on number line. Subtraction means to reduce or to take away one number from the another. So subtraction means to subtract, that is reduce or take away. So we will make a number line, and now we will see the result of 6 minus 2. That is, we have to subtract the number 2 from the number 6. So we will do this using the number line and we will see the result. So as discussed earlier, we will place the person at digit 0 in the starting. And now the first thing what we have is digit 6. So the person will move 6 places on the right, that is on the positive side. So let us make the person move 6 digits. The person moves to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So person has now moved to 6 places and the person has reached on the number 6. Now there's a minus sign, that is in the opposite direction we have to move. Or we can see the subtraction means to reduce or take away. So from the 6 places that we have moved, we have to take away from those 6 places. So that means while taking away from those 6 places, we will move in the opposite direction. So from these 6 places, we have to take away 2 places. So the person will move 2 places on the left hand side. So the person moves to 5 and then 4. Now we have completed the operation. We have moved to 6 places, then we have subtracted 2 places also. And the person has reached to digit 4. The person is at digit 4 place. So the answer of this subtraction, 6 minus 2, is 4. And this we have seen through the number line. So the answer is 4. Now let us see one more example of subtraction using the number line. So now what we have to do is we have to subtract 0 from 5. That is, we have to do 5 minus 0. And we have to find out the result. So now as usual, we will place the person at digit 0. And now we have number 5. So that means we will move on the right hand side 5 places. So the person reaches to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the person is at 5. Now we will subtract or take away from these 5 places. And how many places we will take away? We have to take away 0 places. So 0 places means the person will not move to any place, either left or right, because when we start with 1, if the person has to take away 1, then it moves to 1 place. But 0 means it doesn't have to take away. So the person stays on the same place. It moves. So the person moves and stays away on the same place. That is 5. So after doing the operation 5 minus 0, the person is at place 5. So the answer of 5 minus 0 using the number line we have seen. So the answer of this operation is 5. Using number line we have seen that 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. So this is how we add or subtract number on the number line.